Welcome to the Daily Intelligence Brief from IntelStor for the 11th of June 2025. In today's top renewable energy news, Germany's latest offshore wind tender will see negative bidding again after BNetza has received two zero support bids. The auction for the 1 gigawatt N9.4 site that had not been pre-developed by the state had been described as an important test for the sector. For the first time, BNetza has auctioned off an area which it said must be overplanted by 10 to 20% when compared to its grid connection capacity. On June 11th, Sinoma Science Technology announced that it plans to invest $25.2 million in Uzbekistan to build a manufacturing base. The annual output is planned to be 110 sets of 100-meter class wind turbine blades. The project includes leasing a factory building and investing in two sets of 90 to 120-meter blades. This will include supporting production equipment and tooling. The construction period will take 7 months. The project is in line with the National Belt and Road Initiative and the industrial policies. The goal of the government in the Philippines to log the first kilowatt from offshore wind capacity may come to reality with the rollout of the 5th round of the green energy auction. The Department of Energy said the fresh round of green energy auctions would offer 3,300 megawatts of capacity, with a delivery set from 2028 to 2030. The government remains open to welcoming floating offshore wind developments in the future as well. EDP Renewables is about to divest of all its assets in Greece and leave next year. The company has said publicly that they are hoping to refocus on building their presence in Germany instead. Market-oriented green electricity producers in Greece are at a disadvantage due to low and negative prices and curtailments. Companies involved in retail supply and with long-term power purchase agreements and feed and tariff support do not have the certainty they require to be profitable in the market. Ørsted is putting 800 megawatts of European onshore wind energy up for sale. The company hopes to receive €2 billion for the portfolio, largely based on operational assets in Ireland. They also have some operational and developmental assets in the United Kingdom, Germany, and Spain as well. The company hopes to use the cash to bolster their balance sheet in the near term, but eventually they will redeploy in new greenfield development projects as well as repowering. You can learn more about all of IntelStor's market and sales intelligence offerings at www.intelstor.com and subscribe to our channel today.